Still copying objects from the Home tab? That's one of the slowest way to do it. Let me show you the fastest method that every AutoCAD user should know. Many beginners go to the Home tab, click Copy, then come back to the drawings. It works, but when you are copying hundreds of objects, those extra clicks waste a lot of time. Here's the fastest way. Select the object. Type CO and press Enter. Choose a base point. Now, click where you want to place the copy. Need more copies? Just keep clicking. See? When you are finished, press Enter. Imagine you are placing windows, chairs, desks, or columns. Instead of going back to the ribbon every time, just use CO. It's much faster and keeps your workflow smooth. CO is one of the most commonly used AutoCAD shortcuts. The earlier you get used to it, the faster you will draw. Now you know the fastest way to copy objects in AutoCAD. In the next video, we'll learn how to move objects using the move command. Thanks for watching.